tendency because of the quality and performance. Video already said. This is the bicycle by Radiant. Radiant Adibody 24 sizes, budget friendly bicycle. So look at the cycle. So we have the beautiful color, black green combination. Here product brand by Radiant and the product Legion model Legion 2.0. Thing in the seat adjustment, that is the height and seat up and down. So best thing. Just close it. Tight eye. Okay, then comes the handle. Little broader handle. So it's easy for stunt riding and supportive. Then so we have rough road angle. Even stunt and supportive. That's shock absorber cycle a luxury mode. Cycle highlight different shock absorber. Then comes here a bicycle. Frame segment company down frame down frame. Down frame is easy to use. If I around 8 years. So, 8 years use it. 9, 10 height that's easy. Normally 20 size cycle. Cycle use so condition. So you 20 size confuse you go for 24 size. And the challenge this down frame ride and support you. Here is a problem. See, look at here. Basically straight frame cycle down frame height and support. Even it is unisex. Boys use people cycle, girls and other cycles use. So one more thing, cycling thirsty, because it's very hard, aerobic. Water holder it supports to keep water bottle. Normally water holder is cycle difficult. That's bag and so it's very good. Company water holder. So this is mechanical disc brake. That is front disc mechanical disc brake. Mechanical disc brake. This is company fitted mudguard. That is front leg and back leg. Mudguard is special use. Cycling back normally. So company already fitted mudguard. If issue solve already clothes completed back to ready. So we'll go for the main portion. And the gear segment. This is 21 speed gear. That is front 3, back 7. That is Shimano TZ gear company use it. World class gear Shimano. So company use Shimano TZ model. That's shifting. I will show the shifter. This is the shifter use the company Shimano shifter. That's left 3 gear, right side 7 gear. This use finger shifting shifter. Normally this thumb type shifter, but it's basically use finger shifting shifter. So guys, my way this is hand height basically 24 size. But I'll try driving. So guys, this cycle stock city cycle hurry up guys, all showrooms here stock available now. So this is the price and description number number contact. So we will give the best price for you if offer start. Hurry up before Onam, grab it this model. This video is like, comment, subscribe, please support us.